In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a calendar in Zoho Sheet using the pick list feature for date entries. While it might seem a little disappointing that Zoho Sheet doesn't offer a direct calendar pop-up feature, don't worry. There's a neat workaround using pick lists that can make the task of entering dates more manageable and organized. So, let's dive in. We begin by navigating to the Insert option in Zoho Sheet. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu, you'll find an option called Pick List. Hover over Pick List and then select Create Pick List. This is where we start configuring the dates you want to make available in your sheet. Next, you'll want to ensure the pick list is in single select mode. This mode allows you to select just one date from the list per cell, keeping your data neat and organized. It's particularly useful when you're dealing with dates as it eliminates the possibility of errors that arise from selecting multiple options. Now, it's time to specify the dates you want in your pick list. You have two options here. You can either type in a list of dates manually, or, if you have a predefined set of dates in a range of cells within your sheet, you can easily select those cells to populate your pick list. This flexibility allows you to customize your pick list with precisely the dates you need, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. There's an additional step you might want to consider to enhance the appearance of your pick list. Zoho Sheet offers an option called Display as Chip. When you enable this feature, the selected dates will appear in a more visually appealing manner, kind of like little tags or chips in your spreadsheet. This visual clarity can help users quickly identify and differentiate date entries at a glance, making your sheet not only functionally efficient, but also pleasant to look at. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to use Zoho Sheet's pick list feature to streamline how you handle dates within your spreadsheet. It might not be a full calendar pop-up, but with these pick lists, you have a powerful tool at your disposal to manage dates efficiently. The convenience of having a predefined list of dates that you can easily update as needed is invaluable, particularly when handling large data sets or repetitive date entry tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget, the key to mastering any tool is consistent practice. So, take some time to explore this feature in Zoho Sheet and see how it can make your spreadsheet work smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting with Zoho Sheet.